Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to track your steps on your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to track your own steps, so let's see how can you do that. You have to look for this fitness app in your phone, and once you have the app, you must have to tap on it to open the app. And here, once you have opened, you have to get your first time opening setup as you wish, and once you have set it up, and after setting up, you will get this type interface on your app, and here you will get this step counter. In here you can easily see that how much steps you have made today, or if you want to get this on your Apple Watch, so you can easily connect your this fitness app to your Apple Watch to get your step counter on your watch. So that's how you can easily track your own steps on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.